Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Ontario Rat number 2 here with me for a quick review. This is an interesting knife, pretty popular, guys. Overall length is going to be 7.25 inches, 7.1, with a handle of, I would say, around 4 inches and a blade of roughly 3 inch in length. It's a very popular knife because it's inexpensive. This version here has carbon fiber scales which are laminated and nicely contoured, nicely chamfered. Of course, it's a liner lock, stainless steel liners, and this model here is sporting a nice blade. Look at this. I like the shape particularly with this belly, like 30-40%, full flat grind, murdered out in D2. Liner lock, of course, nice grip. It's chamfered nicely and the grip is pretty good. The action is, yeah, it's not stellar. The sound is like very anonymous, I would say, but overall it's a very inexpensive knife. It's gonna run you around $50 in that ballpark. Very easy to maintain and very nice ergos. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check out my full-length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.